Mark Pingris at the line. 9 points for Mark Pingris tonight.
Go along with 12 rebounds. Make that 13 rebounds and 4 blocked shots. So the guy comes into this game averaging a double-double. Just a regular night for him.
Yeah. Now it's regular. 10 points. Pero malayo pa ito. And you know, Mark Pingris is going to contribute more. Arito naman si Junti Valenzuela. Leo na Horda. Balik ulit kay Junti. Junti takes it inside against Mark Pingris. I think that was the idea.
That's a big play there. As Mr. Energy just picked up his 5th foul.
Oh, yeah.
That's a big play. Give it to Junti. He did not shy away from the aggressiveness. He took it right to Mark Pingris.
You can never describe Junti's brand of play as shy. You can call him anything you want, but he's not shy on the hard court. Anyway,
he's having a problem with the foul line in this game.
And there's our series barometer. We were talking about the field goal percentage that has been the gauge of whoever's going to win in a game in the series. And here, even the free throws are not falling para sa Red Bull. Ang dami nilang bitis dito sa third quarter. Mick Pinici comes over the TM3 para sa pinalakas na TM. Power to the people.
That came off of an offensive rebound by Larry Fournier.
And Mick Pinici with a total of 10 points in the game. James Yap. And Pinici taps it to Enrico Villanueva. Out to Junti Valenzuela. Wala pa rin regular point guard itong Red Bull. Pinici fires again. Oh! Air ball that time. And there's going to be an illegal pick. Yeah, Junti Valenzuela. How many free throws have... the offensive foul yun. Okay. Here's Roger Yap. Here's June Dupont. Collision inside the paint. And Larry Fournier will pick up a foul. Ito, free throws. That's number 4 on Larry Fournier. So, dalawang tira para kay Roger Yap with 2 minutes, 1 second remaining in the third quarter. And a 9-point lead for the Pure Foods Chunky Giants here in Game 6. Like we said, Pure Foods wants to end this here and now. Red Bull says, let's play again on Sunday.
You're right. Red Bull just wants to fight another day.
Oh, yeah.
The foul line has been very, very kind to Pure Foods in this quarter.
And at that time, as Roger Yap made 1 of 2. Junti Valenzuela. Sky pass inside, broken up, but it's picked up by Junti himself. Valenzuela takes it inside. Ooh, what a layup by Junti Valenzuela with a foul. Don Camaso unable to stop Junti. Was it? It's Richard Yee.
Yeah, Richard Yee picked up the foul. Junti once again fearless going to the basket. Gets clipped on the arm.
Okay, so ito tingnan natin kung maipapasok ni Junti Valenzuela yung tira. Dami na nilang mintis dito sa free throw line, and another one. But they keep it alive. Junti gets it over to Enrico Villanueva. There's a tap from behind by Richard Yee, and it's picked up by James Yap. Here's Roger Yap into the front court. Sinalubong ni Larry Fournier. Don Camaso. Roger. To June Dupont. Matras labang kay Mick Pinici. Dupont with a spin. He goes up his block by Mick Pinici, but he keeps it alive. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Roger Yap. Richard Yee blocked. And an offensive foul is going to be called. Richard Yee picks up foul number 3. A minute and 17 to go in the third quarter. Labang pa rin ng 8 ang Pure Food 65-57.
Red Bulls just hanging around.
Oh, yeah. That's what they did in Game 6. Larry Quinichera gets it over to Junti. Valenzuela inside. His pass intended for Nick Tenesi goes out of bounds.
Yeah, Junti might have been better off just shooting that basketball.
Well, Junti has always been known as a gutsy player who will take it strong against anyone, but that time sort of copped out. Isang minuto na lang ang nalalabi sa third quarter. Lamang pa rin ang Purefood ng balo, 65-57. Richard Yee finds James Yap. To take it in with that pick. The Lodi Tugade. Here comes Lodi, leading the attack. Inabot kay Junti Valenzuela off the baseline.
Again, Red Bull getting out on the fast break, getting some fast break points.
And as he said, they've been hanging around, and they've cut the lead down to only 6 at 65-59.
Yeah, offensive foul.
Oh, Bibere Mundo. As he tried to break free from Junti Valenzuela, now holding the referee, and Raimundo makes a foul number 3.
Well, how about Junti on the offensive end? He's scoring the baskets for his team. Good acting job there by Junti. He got away with it.
Hindi mo ganun kalakas, but you know, you got to be able to draw attention.